You there. You there in the basement binge watching Netflix on your couch while you eat Cheetos. You want to take a break from that for a second? Come outside, enjoy some fresh air with me? Don't think that we at the Norris FFA have forgotten about Ag Literacy Day. I know we can't hang out regularly to celebrate it due to the whole COVID-19 quarantine situation, but me, the officer team, and the advisors at the chapter decided to bring Ag Literacy Day to you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I've been doing at home to be more agriculturally involved, even though I can't go out and do things normally. Now, I'm not the best example of this at the moment, but one thing I do know you could be doing is gardening. Now, this may not look like a lot, but about 2 years ago during my freshman year, this used to be the spot where I planted my pink pumpkins. So, even though we don't have a lot of space back here to freely dig up, me and my dad went to the little forest behind our backyard, dug up this giant amount of dirt. I wasn't very experienced with FFA, but I knew how to plant things because my grandma has a garden in her backyard as well. So I was able to use that, and even though it's now not being used for planting anymore, it was still a good experience, and I would highly recommend that to anyone at home just trying to find a new hobby. This is my puppy Gizmo. Gizmo is a miniature Papillon and Shih Tzu mix. We got him back when I was in the 5th grade from a family in Seward. We were actually planning on taking his brother home with us, but this little guy, as a puppy, decided that he wanted to jump around my mom and dad a lot, and so obviously we ended up choosing him since he seemed to want to go home with us the most. He's a little brat, mostly. He likes to sleep and bark outside, especially at late hours of the night when we're all trying to sleep. But we love him, you know, he's very fluffy.